2 times negative 5 gives you negative 10. And of course the middle coefficient is negative 3. So you got to find the factors of negative 10 that when you add them up will give you negative 3. And then you're going to go ahead and rewrite the quadratic. So you have x squared minus 3x minus 10. You're going to find the factors of negative 10 that add up to give you negative 3, which you know that for sure it's going to be 5 and 2. You just got to know which one's going to be negative, and definitely it's going to be the 5 because negative 5 plus 2 gives you negative 3. So the factors are x minus 5, x plus 2. Remember that we had the 2 on the side, so we have to divide by 2. And your factors are going to be, since we're dividing by 2 and this doesn't divide evenly, your factors are 2x minus 5 times x plus 1. Those are your factors. This is the slide and divide method. We're going to do another example. Now we have 3n squared plus 10n minus 8. Remember, you're going to multiply 3 times negative 8. And 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. And your middle number is 10. Or the middle coefficient is 10. So you have n squared. You notice the 3 is on the side. Plus 10n minus 24. So you got to give me the factors of negative 24 that will give you 10n. And the only two that will give you that is 12 and 2. 12 times 2 gives you 24. This will have to be negative. 2 gives you 10. Now you're going to write the factors. So you have n minus 2. You have n plus 12. And since you were dividing by 3, or you had a 3 as a leading coefficient, you're going to rewrite this as n, or you're going to rewrite this as 3n minus 2. The 3 goes up to the top, becomes the coefficient for n, minus 2. Then you have n plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. We're going to use the slide and divide method. We're going to multiply 2 times negative 7, that's the leading coefficient, times a constant, gives you negative 14. You're going to place the 2 to the side. A squared plus 7a. Replace the negative 7 with negative 14. And we know that we have 2 times 7 is 14. This one we're not able to factor, so I'm going to write non-factorable. Okay. The last example that I have is 5x squared minus 14x plus 8. 5 times 8 is 40. And the middle coefficient is negative 14. So we have x squared minus 14x plus 40. What two numbers do you multiply to get 40? We have 8. We have 8 times 5. We have 10 times 4. They both have to be negative. So negative 10 times negative 4 gives you 40, positive 40. So the factors are x minus 10 and x minus 4. Next, we divide by 5. X minus 2, and this is 5x minus 4.